a bandit with my sunglasses and my mask on.
Right?
Yeah.
I kind of feel lost
Yeah. Every once in a while, I'll be driving down the street and just my brain forgets that everybody's wearing masks, and I'll see someone with like their hood up and their mask on, and I'll be like, "What's that person doing?" They're like on their way to something, and then I'm like, "Oh yeah, we're all wearing masks," and especially like the ones like Bobby has on, they definitely look like a bandit kind of thing. Make sure it's up above your nose. But maybe put you on a list. Everybody, keep them up above your nose. Obviously, look, the cases are going around, and people are getting quarantined, and the administration's a little bit worried about it. So don't draw their ire. Make sure you keep your masks up. And look, I'm pausing the video, so this is not on the record. It's just so. Anyways, what we got today? Let me unfreeze this. You have the quiz, which some of y'all might have already started on. It's only 5 questions, so take your time. But just to do a quick recap, we have fusion and fission. And I always say them backwards because I think I like fusion more. But fission is where things split apart, like fissures, cracks opening up in the earth. Fission is when they split apart, so you have a large, unstable isotope with either too many protons or too many neutrons. The whole process gets kicked off by the addition of a neutron. So we like shoot a neutron in at it. That neutron goes into the nucleus, makes it even more unstable. It starts to split apart. It splits into 2 smaller atoms and spits out a couple other neutrons in the process. And so if there are more unstable atoms around, this can kind of be a chain reaction process. So you see it, neutron comes in here, split happens, releasing energy. The other neutrons that come out end up hitting more uranium and causing another cycle. And this just kind of snowballs and gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And hopefully it doesn't get out of control. So they have fusion down here, where fusion is taking small atoms and pushing them together to make something a little bit bigger. So remember yesterday with that 9th question or the 8th question, we started off small and we start to combine together. So you start off with hydrogens and you make helium. You move on and on until you're smashing them together to make bigger and bigger elements in a way. So fission, taking big stuff, splitting it apart. Fusion, taking small things, smashing it together. Fission is controllable. It's what we use in nuclear reactors. We can control it using control rods, and we also use it in nuclear weapons. Fusion is not controllable. It happens inside a sun or a star. It can happen in like the middle of a nuclear explosion, but it's not what causes the nuclear explosion. It's just kind of like a byproduct. So I think that's about it. Both of them can be initiated by humans. Both of them follow the equals MC squared law, and both of them have to do with protons and neutrons and not electrons. So if you have any questions on the quiz, please let me know. But take your time working through it because there's only 5 questions. And everybody make sure you're using the sheet. If you still have it, you should still have it. If I give you a sheet, don't throw it away immediately. I didn't see any in the trash yesterday, but so everybody at home, have a nice day. Make sure you do the quiz. And if you have any questions, please send me an email and I will get back to you. Thank you.